Welcome back to Bike Update, your source for the latest two-wheel news. Today we're diving into the anticipated 2026 American all-new mini bike update, a model that's generating serious excitement among compact bike fans. Design and build. The 2026 edition brings a refined frame geometry, giving riders improved balance and cornering confidence. The updated bodywork is slimmer, lighter, and crafted with reinforced materials designed to add durability without losing the classic mini bike feel. Engine and performance. This year's mini bike features a retuned power unit focused on stronger low-end torque and better fuel efficiency. The revamped intake and exhaust setup provides smoother throttle response, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders who want a lively ride in a compact package. Technology upgrades. New for 2026 is a simplified digital dash with essential riding information, as well as upgraded LED lighting for clearer visibility. A refined suspension setup offers better shock absorption, improving control on trails and city routes alike. Price and availability. The 2026 American mini bike is expected to hit dealerships mid-year, positioned at an accessible price point that keeps it competitive in the small bike market. Early previews suggest strong demand due to its blend of performance, practicality, and updated styling. Closing. The 2026 American all-new mini bike represents a smart, well-rounded upgrade for riders looking for a compact machine with modern features. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more releases, specs, and upcoming ride impressions.